I have two broken laptops here. One is an Asus VivoBook. The other is an Acer Nitro Gaming. Both are pretty old models, I guess maybe 2018. Both have very similar specs with an Intel 8th generation CPU and a GTX 1050. Let us first take a look at the Asus laptop. And if we turn it on, and immediately you could see what the problem is. The screen is glitchy. Obviously the display panel is broken. Now this is a touchscreen model, so to fix this you're gonna have to replace the entire top display assembly with the display panel inside. That can be quite expensive. And the keyboard is broken. Some keys are not registering, and it's got a dead battery. I don't even have the power adapter. It's running on my power supply. So with all this factored in, it's not really worth the money or the effort to repair this laptop. But it does have something valuable. That's a working motherboard. I'll come back to this. Moving on to the Acer, the situation is quite the opposite. It doesn't even turn on. That's because it has a broken motherboard, or more precisely a dead CPU. And everything else was working. The display was good, the keyboard was good, it's got a good battery. It's just got a dead CPU, and it's been sitting around for some time now, crying out for a CPU replacement. And today I finally found the perfect donor in the Asus laptop here. So I have taken out the motherboards from the laptops, and as you can probably see, I have also removed the dead CPU from the Acer laptop before this video. Now what I'm going to do today is to extract the working CPU from the Acer motherboard and transplant it into the Acer motherboard here, so that we can have a nice, good working laptop again. Let's get started. Alright, so I have replaced the CPU and I've checked the power supplies, there are no shorts, so it should be pretty well soldered. Now before we assemble the laptop, we want to do a simple test on the motherboard just to make sure that it's posting normally. We do that by observing the running current. Let's turn on the board. Okay, so what we want to see is a running bouncing current. We don't want it to be stuck at any level because that usually means that it's not getting past the posting stage. So yeah, it looks pretty good. That's a pretty healthy current. Okay, I guess I've seen enough. Now we can confidently assemble the laptop and boot into Windows. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.